Paper batteries. Paper batteries are basically the energy source for a lab-on-chip technology. These batteries are based on paper, they are thin, and they are flexible energy storing devices. These batteries employed cellulose as a substrate, and they could be used as a battery and a capacitor. They are long lasting, they are non-toxic, and they provide steady power. In paper-based batteries, the material which we use is lithium. These batteries are based on lithium. Lithium is more energy dense as compared to lead and nickel metals. Because lithium is a novel metal and that is recently being used for the production of different batteries, lithium-ion batteries are widely used in automotive, laptops, cameras, and other electronic equipments. You can see the paper battery in this slide. So first we will discuss lithium. Lithium is an alkali metal. It has 3 electrons and it has 1 electron in its outermost shell. Lithium एक alkali metal है, but this is the least reactive metal. It has low density and its density is comparable to pine wood. It is lightweight, and if you look at the periodic table, it just sits under the hydrogen. यानी कि इसके आखिरी शेल में सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है. Once we remove that electron, we get the lithium ions. But this metal is very less reactive as compared to other alkali metal. The reason is there is not much difference between 1s and 2s energy levels. So therefore, the third or the outermost electron is also much attached to the nucleus as compared to the other alkali metals. So what are the components of paper batteries other than lithium? The other components that are used in paper batteries is carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are used as cathode, and the lithium based material is used as anode. Lithium is used in 2 forms. One is lithium oxide and other is lithium cobalt oxide. And what about the separator? Cellulose acts as a separator. And what about the electrode? The biological fluids such as blood, urine, sweat, which are used as a test sample, can act as a electrolyte. So what are the properties of carbon nanotubes? Carbon nanotubes have low mass density, they are flexible, they have high packing density, they are light, and they are better electrical conductor. They are thin and have low resistance. So these are the main properties of the carbon nanotubes that they are used in the paper-based batteries. So what about the cellulose? We know that cellulose has excellent porosity. It is biodegradable. It is non-toxic, recyclable, and it has high tensile strength and good absorption capacity. Another important property is low shear strength. This is the structure of a paper battery. You can see an electrode, a carbon nanotube layer, then we have lithium oxide layer, then a paper layer, that is the cellulose based layer, that is about 100 micrometer in size. Then we have lithium layer, and then we have a carbon nanotube layer. So this is the structure of the paper battery. So how does this paper battery work? The paper battery has the same principle as the classical battery is. यानी कि principle वही है जिस तरह के दूसरी आम बैटरीज वर्क करती हैं, लेकिन इस बैटरी में फर्क ये है कि वे यूज दी because these are dry battery, we have to dip them in the into a liquid. Once they are dipped into the liquid, अब liquid से मुराद मेरी biological samples हैं. अब ये biological samples इनमें चूंकि ions already मौजूद होते हैं, इसके नतीजे में एक chemical reaction start होता है. Once the chemical reaction is started, there is the transfer of electrons and the electricity is generated. So the working of these paper batteries is fairly simple. So what are the advantages of using these paper batteries? You can use these paper batteries, you can fold them, you can cut them, you can roll them. आप इनको तय कर सकते हैं, and they are still functional. They could also function as a capacitor. They are ultra thin and small in size, and paper battery can generate about 1.5 volt. And then the output voltage of a paper battery could be customized, यानी कि हम अपनी डिवाइस की रिक्वायरमेंट के मुताबिक इसको कम या बढ़ा भी सकते हैं. So in summary, in paper-based lab-on-chip technology, the batteries provide the main energy source. We use the lithium-based batteries because lithium is a noble metal and it has a superior storage device. Lithium is used in the form of lithium oxide and lithium cobalt oxide. The other material that is used in these batteries is carbon nanotubes, and the cellulose is the main substrate which acts as a separator.